Hey everyone, it's been a while since I posted an update here, so I just thought I'd throw together a new workbench. I was getting tired of pulling the table saw out of my warehouse racking that I have over there and onto the floor, and just being an overall nuisance and a pain to deal with, and also with my miter saw. So I decided to build a bench. It has a fully retractable caster system on it, so I'll just quickly go over it. I've got a DeWalt DW745 saw, which is the same height as this, which will add for the table saw surface. It's a little cobbled together, but it does what I need it to do. I have a cutout here for my miter saw, of which I'll show you. I have about a 62-inch long piece of black pipe, which I'll post how I did that through the mechanism through below. It's pretty straightforward. It's just some casters and a steel plate and some hinges and a carriage bolt, and I'll show you that in just a sec. But then if you look at the top, it's just a preference thing. I did use 3/4 inch plywood, and I do have an inset of 2 inches around the entire perimeter of this top, and it's strictly for clamping. I still have to put a vise on it, and I still have some cleaning up to do on this. But I also top coat the top of the bench with a 1/8 inch hardboard. Now the hardboard, I do like it only because it's got a very, very smooth finish. There's no slivers, there's no anything, and it's easily replaceable. It's a lot easier to replace than the 3/4 inch ply that's underneath, but it just gives it a really nice, smooth, flat working surface if you need to do that. So, but no, it works out well. And I've also made it so it nests just right under that racking, and it'll just roll right in. So I'll show you that in a second. And I still have to hook up some ductwork for the table saw so I can hook it up to my shop vac. Wired up a power bar to it, so I only have to plug in my bench once. And then all my tools can be powered. Sorry the video is so bad, but then this is just basically a foot action lever. Boop. Now the table is mobile because it's lifted it up from both sides. And the whole thing is mobile. Sorry for the poor video quality, but I'll show that demonstration in just a sec. Pulled the miter saw out. That top piece pulls out. There is a locking mechanism to hold it, and it just slides into the top, and it's supported underneath. And I also have a couple of vertical clamps, I guess you call them, in the back to support the weight because it's off center at the front. It's the same height as the working surface as well. So it makes it a lot easier for longer pieces of molding, and it works well, and I've got full span of the saw for any miters and everything that I do. I'm quite happy with it so far, so I think it's going to work out quite well. So I'll put it together and then I'll show you how it goes away.